Imagine a world hidden beneath Antarctica, untouched by sunlight for over 34 million years. A place where time stands still, preserving secrets from an era long forgotten. Locked under more than 2 kilometers of ice, this ancient land is a time capsule from a warmer, greener Earth. It holds clues to a past climate that was vastly different from the frozen desert we see today. Today, Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and highest continent, a frozen desert where only the hardiest survive. The relentless winds and frigid temperatures make it one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. But it wasn't always this way. Scientists have long suspected a secret history beneath the ice. They believe that beneath the frozen surface lay remnants of a lush, vibrant ecosystem. To uncover it, they had to drill deeper than ever before, through a monumental barrier of ancient snow. This required advanced technology and unwavering determination. The ice has preserved this lost world in perfect suspended animation, a snapshot of a dramatically different climate. Fossils and trapped air bubbles tell a story of a time when Antarctica was teeming with life. This isn't just a story about the past, it has profound implications for our future. Understanding how the climate has changed over millions of years can help us predict what might happen next. To read this hidden history, explorers saw Antarctica not as a void but as a library, each layer of ice a page in Earth's story. Every sample they collected was a piece of a complex puzzle. Their mission, to retrieve a piece of a world no one had ever seen. A world that could unlock the mysteries of our planet's past and guide us towards a more informed future. In 2023, a dedicated team of scientists embarked on a groundbreaking expedition in West Antarctica. Their mission was to drill through the immense ice sheet that has covered the continent for millions of years. Using a powerful hot water drill, they meticulously melted their way through over 2 kilometers of solid ice, a feat that required both precision and patience. When the drill finally reached the bedrock, the anticipation among the scientists was palpable. They knew they were on the brink of a significant discovery. They carefully extracted a sediment core, expecting to find nothing more than rock and sand, remnants of a barren landscape. But inside the core, they found something astonishing. Dark, rich layers of ancient soil packed with organic material, a stark contrast to the icy exterior. Delicate plant roots, pollen, and spores were perfectly preserved within the core, undeniable proof of a long-lost forest that once thrived in this now frozen land. This was not the floor of a frozen wasteland, but the remains of a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life, a stark reminder of the continent's dynamic past. The core was dated to 34 million years ago, during the Eocene epoch, just before Antarctica's deep freeze began, marking a pivotal moment in Earth's climatic history. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, challenging long-held assumptions about Antarctica's climatic past. It was a direct window into a time when Antarctica was green and alive, a stark contrast to the icy desert it is today. The sediment core was a final snapshot of the continent's lush past, a time capsule preserving the secrets of an ancient world. Scientists weren't just holding old rock, they were holding the ghost of a rainforest, a tangible connection to a time long forgotten. A lost world, perfectly preserved in darkness, had finally been revealed, offering invaluable insights into our planet's climatic evolution. Let's travel back 34 million years, to a green Antarctica. Picture rolling hills, winding rivers, and endless daylight during polar summers. Antarctica was still connected to Australia with a mild, temperate climate, no ice in sight. Vast rainforests covered the land with towering trees and a dense carpet of mosses and ferns. The air was thick with the scent of earth and flowers, alive with insects and birds. Ancient marsupials and reptiles likely roamed the forests and swamps. This green world existed because high carbon dioxide levels trapped warmth, even at the poles. Warm ocean currents kept the shores temperate, until continental drift and falling CO2 triggered the Great Freeze. The lush paradise was slowly buried under snow, transforming into the Antarctica we know today. How do we know what this lost world looked like from a single tube of mud? The answer lies in microscopic fossils. Pollen and spores, each unique to their plant species, reveal a detailed list of ancient rainforest inhabitants. These plants couldn't survive freezing conditions, proving the climate was once mild and frost-free. Fossilized roots, wood, and leaves show the forest grew right where the core was found. Scientists also extract ancient DNA from the sediment, uncovering not just plants but fungi, bacteria, and even insects. Each tiny clue, a grain of pollen, a root fragment, a strand of DNA adds to the puzzle. Together they paint a vivid picture of Antarctica's green past. This painstaking detective work resurrects an entire ecosystem from a handful of ancient mud. It's a glimpse into a world hidden for millions of years. The story is written in the smallest details, waiting to be read. The difference between ancient and modern Antarctica is staggering. It's almost impossible to imagine that the world's coldest, most inhospitable continent was once a thriving, vibrant landscape. Today, it's a land of ice, with temperatures plunging to -57 degrees Celsius. Relentless winds sweep across endless white plains, and the sun barely rises above the horizon for months at a time. Life clings to the coasts. The interior is a silent, frozen desert. Only the hardiest creatures survive here, braving the bitter cold and isolation. But 34 million years ago, the continent was green, with balmy temperatures and forests stretching across the land. Towering trees and thick undergrowth covered the ground, and the air was warm and humid. Rivers flowed, leaves rustled, and life flourished everywhere. Ancient creatures roamed beneath the canopy, and the landscape teemed with diversity. This transformation is one of Earth's most dramatic climate shifts. The change from lush forests to frozen wasteland happened over millions of years, but its impact was profound. Two major events caused it. First, Antarctica drifted away from Australia and South America, becoming isolated at the South Pole. This slow journey changed the fate of the entire continent. This allowed the Antarctic circumpolar current to form, blocking warm waters and cooling the region. The powerful current circled the continent, cutting it off from the rest of the world's warmth. Second, carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere plummeted, reducing the greenhouse effect. As greenhouse gases dropped, the planet's climate shifted dramatically. The poles cooled rapidly, and the mild climate vanished. The warmth that once nurtured forests faded away, replaced by a deep and lasting chill. Rain turned to snow, and snow accumulated year after year. Layer upon layer, the white blanket grew thicker, transforming the land forever. The great ice sheets were born, burying the green world forever. Forests disappeared beneath the crushing weight of ice lost to time. Antarctica's story is a tale of transformation, one that echoes through time. It reminds us how quickly and completely a world can change. The land of green became the kingdom of ice, a silent witness to the power of Earth's changing climate. The lost rainforest is more than a history lesson, it's a warning. It proves that with high enough carbon dioxide, Antarctica can be ice-free and green. Today, human activity is rapidly increasing CO2, reversing the process that froze the continent. Glaciers and ice sheets are melting at an accelerating pace. This ancient forest is a powerful reminder of what's possible in a high-carbon world. By studying these clues, scientists improve climate models and understand tipping points, where small changes trigger massive shifts. The past becomes a key to the future. Antarctica's silent story challenges us to consider the consequences of our actions. The frozen continent is speaking. Will we listen? The discovery of the ancient rainforest is just the beginning. Scientists are now asking, what other secrets lie beneath Antarctica's ice? New missions are planned, using advanced technology to drill deeper and farther. They hope to find even older ecosystems, perhaps from the age of dinosaurs. There's also the search for ancient microbes preserved for millions of years that could teach us about life's limits. These quests help us understand Earth's history, and may even guide the search for life on other worlds. Antarctica's extreme conditions are similar to those on Mars or Europa. If life survives here, it could survive elsewhere. Each mission pushes the boundaries of knowledge, revealing new lost worlds. The next discovery could change our understanding of life itself. We've journeyed to a green Antarctica and uncovered its secrets from ancient mud. This discovery isn't just about the past, it's a message for our future. Even in the most desolate places, profound stories wait to be found. Imagine joining the next Antarctic expedition, standing on the ice knowing a hidden world lies beneath your feet. Would you search for dinosaur fossils, ancient microbes, or the secrets trapped in the ice itself? Antarctica is a continent of questions, each answer leading to more mysteries. The spirit of exploration drives us to look beyond the horizon, or beneath the ice. Our planet is still full of secrets waiting to be unlocked. Next time you see Antarctica on a map, remember, it's not just a land of ice but a land of discovery. If you had the chance, what secrets would you want to uncover?